All right, guess what I got? I got a home gym in my pocket. Yeah, this is a home gym. You're gonna get just about every single exercise that you can do at the gym right here using your own body weight. It's called the ISOBO Pro. The ISOBO Pro is gonna get you all that exercise inside of your teeny little pocket right there. All right, so the reason why I have this is because when you live life on the road and you're a full-time RVer, you don't get a gym membership. Your gym membership is whatever you can find at home. And I don't wanna carry around bulky weights and all that kind of stuff. So usually when I'm on my gym journey, I'm usually using body weight, but I wanted to step up. I'm still gonna be using body weight, but this is gonna be an assist with the body weight. I'm gonna show you a couple different things that you can do right out of the gate. I'm gonna show you right here how you do a bicep curl. You kind of fold this in on itself like that, just cinching it up. This arm is your weight. This arm is what you're working. So if I'm working this arm, this is my weight. I'm pulling down on this and I'm pulling like this. And so how much tension this gives me is right here. So I'm doing a bicep curl just like that. And instead of grabbing my arm and resisting against it, which is futile, you grab this and you pull this arm up. Now this one is getting a workout. Well, this one is you're isolating your workout here. So I got to give this guy some love. So again, bicep curl. Man, that is a good little workout right there. All right, now workout over, you need to stretch it out. You can do that. So a couple different stretches. Obviously you're going to have the one where you can stretch right here and you're getting that stretch going just like that. Oh, that feels good. That feels really good. Another stretch that you can do is you can raise your hands up and bring this over like that. And now I'm stretching my sides and then back the other way. All right. I don't want to turn this into a workout video, but I do want you to understand it's a really good workout. It looks like, hey, what the heck? I'm just going to put these two together. But no, they got you the right height, the right dimensions, and the right stretchiness. Now, there are hundreds of other workouts that you can do. You can find them online, or if it comes with this little booklet, hundreds of workouts, hundreds of stretches. Whew, I'm out of breath just from doing that little bit of a workout. But you get 100, there's a myriad of different workouts. There's back and shoulders. There, you know, you can start with week one. It actually is kind of cool because it teaches you how to use the variation grip, and then it starts you out on a week one strength training program. And then you got week two, takes you all the way to week 8 to 10 strength training program. So now you can get a workout in wherever you're at the office, on the commute to the office, on the train, in the RV, anywhere that you want, you can now have a workout in your pocket.